Welcome friends. In this video, we are going to discuss about while loop. Okay. So what is while loop? Loop, what is the first we know about the loop? Okay. If the single statement, if execution is more than once a time and you need to execute without while loop, okay, there is so many difficulties. Suppose I am telling you that print 1 to 100. Print 1 to 100 without any way. Okay, you take it as your suitable, write the instructions as a 1 to 100. How could you print 1 to 100? Okay, so whatever you are done, okay, without loop you are not any understanding about the loop, you print 1 to 100. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 you have to declare in this way to print 100. But here Python while loop helps you to print 1 to 100 very easily by writing a single lines of instruction. How? Let's see. Suppose I have to take as a I equal to 1 while then I less than equal to 100. Okay, colon, here I print I equal to print I or only I. Okay, then I plus equal to 1. Okay, understand? I equal to 1, I less than equal to 100, print I plus equal to 1. Okay, else print there is a statement, means if there is a condition going to be false, then come to this statement. After execution above, then come to this. Okay, understand? So run it and see what is going to be happen. So here print from 1 to 100. Okay, here its print is going on from 1 to 100. Why it is going to be so warning? Okay, it is converted to the for loop. That's why it is not suitable for while. Okay, do you understand how it is going to the while loop work? For loop I also cover in a next topic. Okay, I am going to cover in a next topic. For loop I am going to cover in a next topic. Okay, then what happened after that? If I want to print even numbers, fine, I want to print even numbers, I equal to 2, then while first I less than equal to 100, print I plus equal to 2. Okay, so here even numbers are print, here even numbers are print. Okay, so this is the process how while loop is going to be work. Okay, so first you have to initialize, but in for loop there is a case is different: start, stop, and increment, decrement. So here start, and outside the after start, then there is a condition check, then print, then increment or decrement. I plus equal to 2. That is the process of how it is going to be increment. Means I plus equal to is equal to the I equal to I plus 2. I equal to I plus 2 means you can write in a single line also here. I sort it out. Okay, I equal to I plus 2 also. You can write in this way. You can write in this way also. Understand? So this is the way how while loop is going to work. If there is also different statements to stop the loop. Okay, if you want to stop the loop, how it is going to be possible to stop the loop? So first of all, if I want to here write a condition like if I modulus 2 not equal to 0. Okay, I want to print the statements. Okay, fine, I only want to print odd numbers. I am using its even numbers. So here what is going to be returns? It is possible to return all numbers which are generally odd numbers, because I am starting here even numbers. I want to print odd numbers. How it is possible? So I am writing a condition here. See, odd numbers are print. here you see odd numbers are print from beginning from 2. Okay. Okay, but here after execution above then come to this. So here nothing going to be print. Why? Because all are the even numbers. That's why all are the even numbers. I am breakout because of even numbers. So here you can break through the condition, or you can break through the continue. You can break through the as a break statement. You can also stop the pass statement. Okay, continue, break and pass in three ways. Fine. So if I go in a continue, what is the meaning of continue? Okay, so let's see. So I first come to here, and here I will taken as a 1, and here I am taken as a I modulo 2, okay, equal to 0, then print here. Okay, so I am enter it, commit here, and here I will continue. Okay, so what is happened here? Let's see. I modulo 2 not equal to 0. Okay, so how it works and how it print means it generally go for the 1 to 100 and increment by 1. Okay, increment by 1, and it will continue at that time when it is going to be not equal to 0, means if the remainder of the y modulo 2 equal to 0 and not equal to 0. Okay, means here odd numbers are going to be print. Okay, and sorry, odd numbers means here even numbers are allowed, odd numbers are not allowed. How? See. Okay, after execution what is going to be happen here? Here you see there is a 1 to 100. It is going to be print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 18 19 100. And after execution here I am written as a continue. Okay, the continue means here continue comes to here. Okay, but increment is in a down. So that's why, because when the condition true, I am taking it on a upper limit of a here. So when I am going to learn it, and you see what is going to be happen here. Okay. Okay. So first it will be incremented, and condition check incremented, and it is 2 I modulo 2 equal to 0, but not equal to 0. Condition false, print I. But here what happened? It will be generally creating an issue. I close it all. Then first, then second time I run it. Yes, it print all even numbers. Okay, it print all even numbers. After execution, it print all even numbers. Understand? So in this way, and the odd numbers are continue. And if I will taken as a even numbers as a continue, then it will print only odd numbers. Okay, it will print only odd numbers. Okay, understand? So this is the process how continue is going to work. But in this case, if I am using break, okay, break means stop. Break means stop. How it is going to be stop here? See. So first of all, I have to write I equal to 1, then while within the bracket I less than equal to 100 equal to 10, less than equal to 10 colon, then if I modulo 2 equal to 0, then colon break. Okay, then print I. Okay, so here infinite loops are going on. So first then I am increment it equal to I plus equal to 1. Okay, so first of all I stop it, I delete it first. Control Alt N. Fine, understand? It's only print the 1 because the next statement it is even, and it is the break, and it is the come out from a loop. In a continue section there is a continue the loop if the condition is satisfied. In the break section it will be stop the loop when the condition is satisfied. And there is also called another pass statement. Okay, if I am using here pass, okay, pass, what is the meaning and how it is help you? See, everything will be allowed. Okay, even odd, everything will be allowed. So that is the way to process continue, print, continue, break and pass. Okay, so this is the while loop, and you understand how while loop is processed and work for you. And what is the difference between for loop and while loop? Because for loop very easy, okay, and very quickly you can declare 2-3 statements to execution of particular step, particular condition or particular problem statement if you want to solve it. But in while loop there is a so many lines of code you are going to be work for the solving the particular problem or statement. Okay, understood? If you have any doubt, go to the comment box and type there. Please like and share this video and click on the subscribe button. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.